Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Hub of Learning 111. So today the point that we are going to analyze is This Love or Will It Tormenting Unique, that is written by Baba Bulle Shah. So who was Baba Bulle Shah? Okay, let's see the biography of Baba Bulle Shah. So Baba Bulle Shah, he was a renowned Punjabi philosopher. एक renowned पंजाबी फिलोसोफर थे, पंजाबी पोइट थे और सूफी सेंट थे. उनका रियल नेम अब्दुल्ला शाह था, बट ही इज़ फेमसली नॉन एज बुल्ले शाह, विच मीन्स फादर और ओल्ड मैन. सो ही वॉज बॉर्न इन 1680 in the city of Uch, Punjab. In his poetry, it revolves around the theme of love, compassion, spiritual love, spiritual growth, tolerance, acceptance, and self-discovery. So what was the writing style of बाबा बुल्ले शाह? बाबा बुल्ले शाह का राइटिंग स्टाइल कैसा था? पहले तो वो पंजाबी लैंग्वेज यूज़ करते थे, पंजाबी ज़ुबान में लिखते थे. वो पंजाबी लैंग्वेज यूज़ करते थे, इसकी वजह ये थी ताकि वो जो पोइट्री लिख रहे हैं तमाम लोग उस तक रसाई हासिल कर सकें और तमाम लोग उसको पढ़ सकें और अंडरस्टैंड कर सकें. ठीक है, दैट्स वाई हिज पोइट्री it is known for its simplicity, it is known for its clarity, and वो इतने कॉम्प्लेक्स आइडियाज़ को, इतने कॉम्प्लेक्स स्पिरिचुअल आइडियाज़ को बहुत ही अंडरस्टैंडेबल वे में कन्वे करते थे. नो डाउट वो मेटाफर्स का भी यूज़ करते थे, इमेजरीज का भी यूज़ करते थे और भी लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस का यूज़ करते थे, लेकिन वो कॉम्प्लेक्स मेटाफर्स का यूज़ नहीं करते थे, फ्लवरी लैंग्वेज यूज़ नहीं करते थे. इस तरह की लैंग्वेज यूज़ करते थे ताकि सबको समझ आ जाए, उनका मैसेज सब तक पहुंच जाए. सो हिज सिंप्लिसिटी, इट्स अ की aspect of his poetry. So this was all about the introduction of Baba Bulle Shah. Okay, let's see the text of the poem. This love, O Bulle tormenting unique. This love, O Bulle tormenting unique, the face of the idol akin to the divine in heaven. Can there be divinity without my beloved? Even if I have to contest the scriptures, this love is fearless, marches to depth in defiance, dances and whirls like a street prostitute, to win a single smile from the beloved. As you can see, the text of the poem is very short and the language is very easy. Okay, now critically analyze the poem. This love, or will it tormenting unique. This poem, it's a passionate and spiritual expression of love. He starts his poem with this line, This love, O Bulle tormenting unique. So he begins his poem by addressing himself. So here he is addressing himself, as you can see the word Bulla. So now he is addressing himself. And it's the title of the poem. Title भी poem का यही है, This love, O Bulle tormenting unique. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे लव किस लव की बात हो रही है? वर्ल्डली लव की? नो. हियर द पोएट बाबा बुल्ले शाह, ही इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पिरिचुअल लव. तो मेन थीम पोएम का क्या है? स्पिरिचुअल लव. ही सेज दैट दिस स्पिरिचुअल लव, इट्स नॉट ईजी, इट इज़ टॉर्मेंटिंग. Tormenting means torturing or teasing, yet it is unique. This spiritual love, it is unique. He says that there is pain with love, and the feeling of love, it never comes alone. Here he is talking about spiritual love, not worldly love. And he says that this feeling of spiritual love, it never comes alone. It's like a rose. It likes a rose with thorns. Basically, this poem, it's a passionate and spiritual expression of love. And the title of the poem, This Love, O Bulle Tormenting Unique. It's the title of the poem. And he starts his poem with this title. And here he is stressing himself. As you can see, here he used his word Bulla. So he is addressing himself. And the title suggests that the main theme of the poem is love, not worldly love. Here the poet Baba Bulle Shah, he is talking about spiritual love. Okay, so spiritual love is the major theme of the poem. And he says that this love, O Bulle, tormenting unique. Tormenting means teasing or torturing. He says that this spiritual love, it's not an easy task. It is tormenting, yet it is unique. He says that there is pain with love. And this feeling of love, this feeling of spiritual love, it never come alone. And it's like a rose with thorn. But it is this pain, that this pain enlightens the soul. The pain of love, it enlightens the soul. That's why he's saying that this love of bullet tormenting unique. Then he says, unique the face of the idol akin to the divine in heaven. Can there be divinity without my beloved? So here the word idol, it means it's an image or representation of God that is used as an object. And divinity, what does it mean? Divinity means divine being, and akin means similar or related. So here Baba Bulle Shah, he is comparing his beloved face to an idol, suggesting a divine or very sacred quality. Okay. Now he is questioning, can there be divinity without my beloved? As I told you that divinity means divine being. So here he has greatly used this theme, that what is his life without his beloved? And what is his love without his beloved? He is nothing without his beloved. He means to say that his beloved, it's a central figure. वो एक ऐसे सेंट्रल फिगर है जिसके गिर्द मेरी लाइफ रिवॉल्व कर रही है. तो जब बिलविड की प्रेजेंस नहीं है तो मैं कैसे अपनी लाइफ का तसव्वुर कर सकता हूँ? मैं अपनी लाइफ को अपने बिलविड के बगैर बिल्कुल भी तसव्वुर उसका नहीं कर सकता. सो यहाँ पे किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? सो हियर बाबा बुल्ले शाह, ही इज़ रेफरिंग टू द लव ऑफ अल्लाह ऑलमाइटी. ही इज़ नॉट रेफरिंग टू द वर्डली लव, he is referring to the love of Allah Almighty. He says that without his love, without love of Allah Pak, without the love of Allah Almighty, Baba Bulle Shah, he is nothing, and he cannot imagine his life without the love of Allah Almighty. So here he is talking about spiritual love. He is talking about love of Allah Almighty. Okay, next he says that even I have to contest the scripture, this love is fearless, marches to death in defiance. As I told you that Baba Bulle Shah, he's not talking about common love, he's not talking about worldly love, he's talking about spiritual love. And he says that this love, it's very different from a worldly love, means that it is very fearless, it is very bold, it is very courageous, and it is very brave, it is very strong. He means to say that his love is so strong. His love is too strong that even it can embrace death. It can even embrace death to achieve its goal. And then he says that by marching to death in defiance. Here speaker Baba Bulle Shah, he is expressing his willingness to confront mortality. He says that his love, it's a powerful force. It's an unconditional emotion. And it's a higher authority, and even he can confront mortality. He can embrace the you can say ultimate sacrifice for the sake of love. So this line, it suggests that speaker's love, Baba Bulle Shah love, is unwavering in the face of adversity. It is more stronger than the fear of death. उन्हें डेथ का भी कोई खतरा नहीं, वो उनके डेथ के ख़तरे से भी ज़्यादा, डेथ के डर से भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर है, और वो अपनी मॉर्टेलिटी को कॉन्फ्रंट करने के लिए, फेस करने के लिए तैयार हैं. एंड ही इज़ विलिंग टू टेक द अल्टीमेट रिस्क, और वो इस रिस्क को लेने के लिए भी तैयार है, रिस्क ऑफ डाइंग, रिस्क ऑफ मॉर्टेलिटी. Then he says, dances and whirls like a street prostitute to win single smile from the beloved. Whirls means to rotate or to spin. सो यहाँ पे वो फर्दर एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं, और वो कह रहे हैं कि वो कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार हैं. किसके लिए? अपने बिलवड के लिए. वो किसी भी लिमिट को क्रॉस करने के लिए तैयार हैं, जस्ट अपने बिलवड को खुश करने के लिए. ही कैन सरपास ऑल द बैरियर्स, ही कैन सरपास ऑल द रिस्ट्रिक्शन just to bring a single smile on his beloved's lip. Okay, and he says that he can dance on street like a prostitute. जिस तरह prostitute street में डांस करते हैं, even कि वो भी करने के लिए तैयार हैं. Means that he can do anything for his beloved, that he can cross all the limits, he can surpass all the barriers just for his beloved. Okay, so this show क्या शो कर रहे हैं? उनका great love, उनका इतनी शिद्दत का love just for Allah Almighty, and he is able to do anything just for Allah Almighty. Okay, So this was the critical appreciation of the poem. I hope you understand the poem well.